What's up, y'all? It's Steph, and today I'm gonna talk about my portfolio and some of the stocks I'm investing in, to why I even bought some contracts into them. For the week, I'm up like $400 on my portfolio, which is calm, 16%. And mind you, the market did crash the other day, so this is me recovering my money back. This is not actual profits, but let's get into it. So the first one I'm talking about is PLTR. It's part into technology, and this is one of those stocks, bro, that's kind of like iffy in a sense, not because they're not doing good with numbers, more like ethical point of view. Because, so what they are, right? They're a software company. They take data, they analyze it, they organize it for other companies to use. And companies like ICE uses it. They're used by a lot of police stations, and they're heavily backed by the U.S. government. So because of those, people are kind of iffy about it from like ethical point of view, but that's not me though. I'm all about numbers, and if the numbers look good and it makes sense, I'm gonna invest into it. And PLTR show great numbers, but I'm not gonna lie though. Right now, PLTR is one of my biggest losses. Let me show y'all. I'm down 69% PLTR right now. The reason to why I'm down, I bought this right before earnings, right before the third quarter earnings, and I did my research, and I knew they were gonna have good numbers, which they did. But like I said though, because of the ethical sentiment that the investors have, and then the market crashing, I guess they use that as a excuse to just drop the whole stock. It will feel like at the week chart they're up 11. They're just not recovering. They just made $11 past week, so they're kind of recovering. The past month they're down $28, bro, and they were down up to a point $48, bro. So that fucked me. I bought it when it was like, I think I bought it around like 199, 200-ish, and that shit went down to $48, so that killed me. But I'm not panicking though, because the only way you could lose money into like leap options is if you sell, or the time frame, like, or the decay, like the expiration date get too close, and you didn't you didn't make enough money, or like your prediction is just not gonna occur within the time frame. That's the only way you could lose money. But I'm not selling yet though, and I still have some time though. I still have like till like March, April, so you feel me? I'm chilling right now. So I'm just gonna wait, buy some more contracts, probably spend like $200-300 on some more contracts, and while the market recover, make my money back though. So, but let's get into the numbers, right? So for the third quarter, 2025 quarter, right, their expected earning before interest and taxes for 2025 Q3 was $500 million. They beat that with $600 million, bro. So they made over $100 million from what the expert predicted. So that's great numbers, like I said though. And also, there's something called net income. Net income is what the company makes after paying all their taxes, all their fees, interest, debt. So this is what the company actually make as profit. So their net income is crazy. PLT on net income just keep growing and growing and growing every quarter, bro. Let's check the numbers for the 2025 quarter, right? For the first quarter, they made $217 million, bro. For the second quarter, they made $328 million. And for the third quarter, which is the latest earnings, they made $476 million, bro. So the numbers look good. The numbers look great. And like I said, people are just selling it as an excuse because the market is crashing, the whole ethical thing they have going on. But I don't care. Like, if you want to get into the stock though, a good buying point would be like right now, because they're now starting to recover. So like this week will be like a good time to buy, get into it, and just see what's up with it. Because I'm telling you, like, this right here is a hitter, bro. It's gonna go back to $200, and if you wanna hop on the wave, make some money, like I'm about to, because I'm probably gonna spend like $200-300 into it, make all my money back plus some profit, and then sell it. And then when I sell it, I'm gonna show you guys how much money I make. So the second step I want to talk about is SOFI. Yo, SOFI is hot right now. SOFI is like the next big thing. I'm not gonna lie. So SOFI, right? They're a financial company. They're like a one-stop shop for everything: loans, banking, investing. They're like everything. You get home loans, you get car loans. You get car loans. You get like student refinance loans, everything, man. And they literally just added like options trading into the platform too. So that's attracting a lot of people. But like I said though, I'm a numbers guy, and one of the things that's really impressive about SoFi, bro, is how much money they fucking make, bro. So their expected earnings before interest and taxes for 2025 Q3 quarter 3, which was the last earning, was $134 million. They beat that with $154 million. That's over $20 million from what they predicted. They also beat EPS and revenue from the earnings, right? But they were printing net income, bro, like easily. Their net income for 2025 quarter three profit was $139 million, bro. After paying everything, operating cost, including taxes, etc. That's how much they net, bro. $139 million, bro. So I'm just trying to show you about the numbers for SOFI really adds up, bro. And the revenue is amazing. So the revenue is how much the company makes from selling whatever product they're selling, bro. So let's look at the previous quarters for the revenue, so I can show you like how much they're like making every quarter. So for 2025, right, first quarter, they made $771 million, bro. 2025 second quarter, they made $854 million, bro. And 2025 third quarter, which was their last earnings, they made $961 million, bro. Just $40 million shy of $1 billion, bro. Mind you, fourth quarter ain't even come yet, bro. But they're about to be printing over $1 billion, bro, from selling whatever they're selling, bro, which is crazy, bro. So like based on these numbers, bro, people are starting to like see that SOFI is not your average Joe type of stock, bro, and they're taking it serious, bro. Like a good buying point for SOFI would be like 26, low 27s, I would say, for me, because I got in when it was like 25, and it came down to 24 the other week when the market crashed, and I bought some more. And right now my value, right, I have three contracts for it. It's I put like 700 into it, like 700 something, bro. I'm up like what? I'm up 12% in total return, bro. So about to be 100. And when this shit really takes off, though, oh my god, bro, I'm gonna make so much money because my expiration date is kind of far out, bro. I have a contract that expires in March, one in June, and the other one older in September, bro. So I have like contracts expiring from like different time frame, and when it takes off, I'm gonna take off too. So I'm really excited about SOFI, and a lot of people, like if you look up SOFI on YouTube right now, a lot of people are talking about SOFI and saying positive things about it. So that's why I'm into it, and I've done my research, which is why I'm even more confident it's gonna be way more bullish too. So the next stock I want to talk about is the last one, which is Uber. Bro, everybody and their mother have used Uber somehow, some way, bro. Everyone, bro. Their net income, their net income from the earning from the quarter three earning, which they just had, was $6.65 billion fucking dollars, bro. And mind you, the earning prior to that, which was quarter two, it was $1.35 billion, bro. That's a $5 billion jump, literally, bro. These niggas are literally printing money, bro. Bro, Uber is such a good company to get into right now because, bro, I'm predicting $100, bro, within like April of next year, when they have like the fourth quarter earning, bro. Like I'm really predicting $100, bro, and the market is like recovering too. So, bro, there's a lot of money to be made from Google, bro. And if you go to their monthly like active users, bro, it's $189 million, bro. Over $189 million, like worldwide, uses Uber somehow, some way, bro. So like, yeah, bro, this company just makes fucking money, bro. And also, right, the delivery business, Uber Eats, is still growing long after COVID, bro. People are still doing this as a daily job, bro. Like, people are still doing this, bro. The revenue numbers are dominant, right? Revenue, like I said, revenue numbers is what the company makes before paying anything, right? So this is what they make from selling whatever products they're selling. So the 2025 third quarter revenue, the last earnings, was $13.47 billion, bro. Them boys literally make money, bro. Like right now, the current price of Uber is kind of high, but with a company with such solid numbers, right? Such solid numbers, I don't really care if it's like $87 right now. I still get into it because we're looking towards like $100, 110 to 120, like by the next 6 months. So I feel like that's why you should really get into Uber right now. Look into it before the wave takes off. And these are my stocks currently, and probably like Monday, Tuesday, when the market opens again, I'm gonna drop another 3 company I'm investing in, and to tune in.